You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. Yes, it confuses a lot of people, and yes, many get it wrong as well, but it's actually easy once you know. So let's break it down how to pronounce this name, which is sometimes the short for Sylvester, but it's a nickname that also exists as a name, meaning sly. It derives from Latin silva, meaning wooded or forest. Sly. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.